Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Azure AD for secure sign-ins, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Azure Active Directory for secure sign-ins, start by enter your credentials and access the dashboard. In the left navigation pane, click on Azure Active Directory. Once in Azure Active Directory, select Properties from the options available. Here, confirm that your organization's information is correctly configured. Next, navigate to the User Settings section. Look for Users can register applications and set it to Yes to allow user registrations. Now, go back to the main Azure Active Directory page. Click on Enterprise Applications from the left-hand menu. Choose All Applications to view the list of applications linked to your Azure AD. Select the application you want to configure for secure sign-in. In the Application Settings, navigate to the Authentication section. Under Redirect URIs, ensure your sign-in URL is entered correctly. For additional security, you can enable multi-factor authentication. Stay in the Application Settings and select Users and Groups. Here, add users. Next, return to the main Azure Active Directory page. Click on App Registrations to manage application permissions. Choose your application and go to the API Permissions section. Add the required permissions based on the application's functionality. After setting permissions, go back to Authentication Settings. Verify your logout URL is correctly entered for a seamless user experience. For enhanced security, consider configuring conditional access policies. Navigate to Security in the left pane and select Conditional Access. Click on New Policy to create a policy that meets your security requirements. Define the conditions under which the policy will apply. You can specify user groups, device platforms, and locations. Set up access controls, such as requiring multi-factor authentication or blocking access. After configuring the policy, click Create to activate it. Finally, review all settings in Azure Active Directory for accuracy. Once everything looks good, your Microsoft Azure AD is now ready for secure sign-ins. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.